Hi friends, today I'm sharing with you a quick declutter and organization for my home office bookshelf. It's quite small, but it was so cluttered. This is my study, my home office. I'm gonna, it kind of looks organized and minimalistic, which is really what I enjoy, but I removed some plants here and put some fake flowers. It always looks like this, but in this little cabinet, which I'm going to be organizing today, it is crazy. So I'm going to be decluttering. Just make sure that I really feel good when I'm in this space. All right. Yeah, you guys can see that. Even in here, I've got files and some papers that I haven't really used in over 2 years, so I'm going to get rid of that. In this middle section, I've got my Bible and some books that I was going through, but most of the stuff here, don't even know what that is. Bible storybooks for the boys, and in that little purse, I kept my journals, and then I need to work on that area. Okay. Oh, that's so crazy. And then I need to declutter in there. The idea is that, the space makes you feel good. And this, every time I open, it doesn't make me feel good. Okay, so these are my previous couple of years journals, prayer journals. I refer to them basically on a regular basis, but I need to find a way of storing them. And then we've got a little bit of stationery there, paper. I need to figure out how to just store that much more efficiently, and I don't know, notepads and that kind of stuff. We need to just declutter that. So I'll take you with me. Here is the end product. I cleaned it out like I showed you, and then I just grouped like items together, and some of the things that I quickly need to reach on a regular basis, and some 4 plants and some books down there. I placed a piece of art just to make sure that it's also appealing to the eye whenever I'm here, because I sit directly in front of that little cabinet. And I've got my favorite photos up there, which remind me of the special people in my life. Alright, so this side I kept my Bible and my journal. I use that basically every morning, and then in this top shelf I put all the stuff that I work on every single day. I write my notes in that raggedy book and my meal plans in there, and also any stuff that I need to do for the boys with that school stuff. I've got my little flip files in there, and just a little basket with some miscellaneous stuff. Okay, remember I told you guys about the pouch? That's the little purse where I keep my books. But on the top shelf, I decided to just put all the stationery that I might need. So it's basically like an overflow of the stationery that I need. I put it in a box. I kind of covered the brown box that I had, so I didn't want to buy any new stuff, so I just used what I had. That is paper, I decided to take it out of the packets and just have it in that folder. And then I have my notebooks, the ones that I was mentioning earlier on, that these are from previous years, but I want to reach them every now and then. So I also stick them up there, and so it's easy for me to reach those things, but I might not need them basically every day. Also some more stationery or clips that I might need here and there when I'm compiling documents. I'm happy with where I stored this, so if anyone really needs, whether it's an envelope, a pen, calculator, sharpener, pencil, they would get it there. And so that's the fun thing there, is that I also labeled it to make it easy for anyone, even though this is my place, but even when anyone else needs their stuff, they'll be able to get it. Okay, right here at the bottom I kept my little purse where I store all my notebooks. That's like my brain dumping book, which I write anything that I am thinking of, which I try to use every single day. Actually, I use it every single day. And then I use this to write my notes, and then I use that as my prayer journal. I'm using this one. I'm currently studying A Course of Miracles, so I'm using that for my commentary for Course of Miracles. So I basically just grab that because there's a pen inside. I don't have to go through all the stuff in the little cabinet, but I can just grab my purse, sit down, and do the work. Yeah, this is how it ended up looking, and I would recommend to just add a little bit of height here and there, and then add some greenery for some design aesthetic, and put like items together so that you can easily see them, but then they also look good and it's easy to reach the stuff that you need. And I put some artwork there just to make me happy as well. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.